Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Today, we are going to do something special for our superheroes. Do you know? Any guesses? Yes, your father. He's actually a superhero. He works so hard for you day and night. And today we are going to make him feel special by making this beautiful craft for him. As Father Day is coming soon, that is on 21st June, we are going to surprise our Papa. Are you all ready? For this activity, all we need is colored sheets, green, red, white, pencil, eraser, Fevicol, marker and scissors. I request parents to please help your child in this activity and do not give them the scissors. Are you all excited? So let's start. So children, first of all, we will make a triangle on the red sheet. Do you know how we make a triangle? Let's see. First, we will make a sleeping line like this. Then we will make a slanting line. And now we will make a second slanting line. See, we got our triangle. Now ask your mama to cut this triangle for you. So here it is. Now we will place this triangle on this green sheet and you will trace this triangle like this, and from its bottom you will extend it. Now you will make a sleeping line. Now again you will ask your mama to cut this triangle for you. See children, we got two triangles. One is small and the other is big. Now we will paste the small triangle on the big triangle like this. Children, do you know which fruit we are making? Any guesses? Yes, watermelon. Do you all like watermelon? It's so juicy, isn't it? Now we will make eyes of the watermelon. You will cut two small circles and you will paste these circles on the watermelon like this. After this, we will put mama's bindi in these two circles. Else, you can also use marker if you don't have the bindis with you. Wow, isn't it looking pretty? Now, we will make watermelon seeds in it. What is the color of the seeds? Do you know? Yes, it is black in color. So for the seeds, you will use the marker and start making the seeds on the watermelon. Wow! Your watermelon isn't looking pretty? Yes? And now we will make a smile on the watermelon. Yay! Your watermelon is ready. Wow! What a yummy watermelon! Children, if you want to decorate it more, you can add glitters like this. Take a white sheet and give it a fold from the center like this. After folding it, you will write this quote with the help of a marker and you will going to paste the melon on this card like this and give this card to your superhero.